Hi everyone, and welcome back to our series, Key Issues Data Analysts Are Facing Today. I'm Serge, and today we're tackling a topic that's on a lot of minds right now, AI hype, and what it means for the future of data analysts. Picture this. Your manager uploads a dataset to ChatGPT or Looker Studio, then asks, "Can you give me a quick summary of last quarter's sales?" And boom, in seconds they get a pretty decent response. And you're left wondering, wait, do they even need me anymore? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. AI is getting good, fast. Auto-generated insights, natural language queries, anomaly detection, they're everywhere now. And while these tools can save time, they're also sparking real anxiety among analysts, especially if your role is focused heavily on building dashboards, writing basic SQL, or summarizing trends that AI can now surface automatically. It's easy to feel like the ground is shifting under your feet. Let's say your exec wants to understand churn. You've been prepping a slide deck all week, but instead, they upload a CSV to ChatGPT and ask, "Why did churn increase in Q2?" And AI comes back with something like, "Churn rose due to a drop in renewals from SMB clients, especially in APAC, possibly linked to pricing updates in early May." Not bad, but here's the catch. That might not even be true. AI is fast, but it doesn't verify facts like an analyst would. It can hallucinate insights, misinterpret column names, or invent trends that aren't really there. So while it sounds confident, it's not always correct. This fear doesn't come from laziness or resistance to tech. It comes from how many analyst roles have evolved, focused on reporting, not strategy, valued for tools, not thinking, reactive, not proactive. And AI, for better or worse, is great at surface-level tasks, but it still needs human judgment to interpret, verify, and act responsibly. Here's the shift. AI won't replace analysts, but it will replace analysts who only report. To stay relevant, you need to go beyond the what happened and dive into why it happened and what we should do next. Focus on interpretation, not just information. Become a partner in decision-making, not just a data delivery service. Learn to work with AI, not against it. Prompt it better. QA its outputs. Use it as your junior, not your replacement. The analysts who thrive in the AI era, they're the ones who combine data fluency with business intuition. Here's your takeaway. AI is a tool, a powerful one, but tools don't replace critical thinking, strategy, judgment, context. If you want job security, lean into the things AI can't do yet, and be the analyst who leads, not just reports. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Next time, we'll explore a problem many analysts face in growing organizations: the disappearing analyst, when reporting becomes support work. See you in the next episode.